Hello, everyone. This is a continuation of the absolute basics of morphing in PowerPoint. I was about to say Photoshop. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to create a new PowerPoint. We're going to do a blank presentation. We have this here. I'm going to come up here to change it to blank. There you go. And I'm going to zoom out a little bit now. I'm going to insert a rectangle, and this rectangle will take up the entire space. So we're going to drag it from one corner to the other. There you go. And now we're going to revisit a skill that we learned a little bit earlier. So now we're going to take and insert another shape. It's going to be a circle right here. We're going to drag it and be about that big. And remember, click the back one first. So we're going to do the big one, the rectangle first. We're going to hold Control, and then we are going to click the circle. Then we're going to come up to Shape Format and merge shapes and subtract. Ta-da! So now we have a hole in the rectangle. But we're not going to stop there. We're going to do another one. So we're going to come up here to Insert, Shape, Circle, and we're going to come and put it over here. It doesn't really matter where you put it for this example or this assignment, but I'm just going to put it right here. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, just like that. So once again, you're going to click the rectangle first. You're going to hold Control and then click the circle. Come up to Shape Format. Go over to Merge Shapes and subtract that as well. There you go. So now you have a rectangle that has two holes in it, which is great. And now we're going to go over to the left side here. We're going to right click on that, and we are going to duplicate the slide, but we're going to duplicate it 3 times. So now we have a total of 4 shapes or 4 slides. So come to the second slide, click on that. Make sure you have clicked on the second slide. And here is where it's going to get interesting. So you need to zoom out as much as you can, a lot. Okay. Then you're going to click on the shape and you're going to expand it. Hold the shift key while you do this so it keeps its shape. So holding shift, we're going to expand it. We're going to expand it. And then we're going to move the shape over the slide, just like that. There you go. Okay. And then we're going to come over here back to the left side. We're going to click down to the 4th slide. And we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to make the circle on the right bigger. So we're going to hold shift, drag it again, and then put that guy over your slide, just like that. Great. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the first slide, holding shift, and click on the last slide. There you go. So what it does is it highlights all of them. All 4 slides are highlighted. Now we're going to go up to transitions, and we're going to click on the morph button. Ta-da. There you go. So now what you're going to do is put it into present or presentation mode. And this is what it should look like. Right there we have the circles. We're going to click on it. It's going to zoom in on one circle. We can click on it again. It'll zoom back out. And then click on it a 4th time. Is it a 4th time or a 3rd time? And it's going to zoom in on the other circle, just like that. So once again, these transitions are a little more advanced. You don't have to use them. However, they do make your presentation look a lot better. And there you have it. You can use this for your future presentations. The only warning that I will give you is if you do a lot of these, your computers are not the most powerful, so it may end up slowing it down a bit. So use it, but don't use it excessively. All right. If you have any questions, make sure that you send me a message. Have a good one.